Ito, ang mga hard foul moment in NBA history. Simulan natin sa hard foul ni Valanciunas kay LBJ.
Just a 42%. LeBron inside row by the shoulders by Valanciunas. And LeBron says, I don't need helped up.
That is just the same as getting kicked in the Houston game.
At kung hindi pa yan brutal para sa'yo, panoorin mo ang videong ito.
Nice advantage, kicks it out. Kuminga, he's knocked down a couple of threes. Great ball fake.
There was anything intentional, but that's flagrant. It's above the shoulders.
Pero buti na lang, hinila lang yung mukha mo, hindi sinampal. Gaya kay Luka Doncic.
60% for the Clippers, 50% now for the Mavericks. Oh, a hard foul!
There's two things that are clear here. That's a flagrant foul.
Bakit naman kasi may halong sampal yung depensa? Pwede mo namang itulak para hindi halata.
Blake, oh my goodness! Blake in transition, a collision between Smith and Griffin.
Pero parang intentional pa din yun. Gaya ng ginawa ni Bobby Portis kay KCP.
Look at this pass to KCP. Oh, look out. Look out. Fly there. And he was in midair and about to throw it down.
Kunwari ka pang tatapal, sasampal ka din pala. Pero mamili ka, sampal sa ulo o siko.
Shot blocking. Artest drives and finishes. And the Lakers oh, piece elbowed him. Oh no.
Grabe yung tama, nakakamatay. Pero what if hindi ka nga nasiko? Pero nasipa ka naman.
Garnett, longest arms, known as the guy.
Huy, hindi to mixed martial arts. Bakit ka naninipa? Speaking of mixed martial arts, tila gusto na yatang i-choke ni Isaiah itong si Wiggins.
Tonight from anywhere on the floor. And
Andrew drives it past J.R. Smith. Jay Crowder is trying to take a charge, and Isaiah Thomas just clubs him right in the face.
Grabe yung frustration. Halatang sinadya. Parang itong ginawa ni Derek Fisher kay Scola.
Tonight he ended up.
what a shot by Fisher right in the face of Scola.
Baka naman ayaw niya lang ng screen. Pero itong susunod na player ay tila ayaw sa fast break.
Rondo on a nice release. Oh, hard foul! A flagrant foul. He might be thrown out for that.
He should be thrown out for that.
Di bali nang mabalian ka, huwag ka lang daw makascore. At kung hard foul experience lang din ang pag-uusapan, hindi makakaligtas dyan ang nag-iisang Michael Jordan.
The flow of what they want to do offensively. Jordan. And Jordan goes down hard and he looks hurt. Oh.
Yung feeling na unstoppable ka, kaya wala silang ibang choice, kundi pilayan ka. At hindi ko naman alam anong tumatakbo sa utak netong ni Andrew Bynum.
Not backing down. Ray, oh, look at that. And as Bynum, he will be ejected, and that's one of the biggest Bush League things I've ever seen.
Na-frustrate kasi tambak sila. Eh ano naman kaya magiging reaksyon mo sa ginawa ni Kelly Olynyk kay Kevin Love?
Cavs, Crowder, free for three. Olynyk and Love fighting for it. And it's going to be good. Love hurt himself?
Yes, he did.
Grabe, sinadyang i-dislocate yung braso. Pero parang madali namang gamutin yan. Hindi ko na lang alam sa nangyari kay Steven Adams.
Green putting a move on Adams. And he is fouled. It's the leg, guys. Watch the leg. Oh my God. Follow.
Imagine, hindi ka na magkakaanak after nyan. Buti na lang mabait si Steven Adams. Pero kung kay Kobe mo ginawa yan, talagang yari ka.
To 18 turnovers as Mike Miller goes to the weak side.
It's the left hand of arm of Miller's just cracks Kobe right.
At kung akala mo na ganun-ganun na lang, abay mag-ready ka. Sa ganti sa'yo ng Black Mamba.
He gets the basket against Miller. Ooh, that's a hard.
That's gonna be a flagrant one. That's
Hindi talaga basta-bastang magpapabuli. Itong si Kobe.
Gago!